Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling how to bundle on Depop in 2025. If you're a seller on Depop, bundling is one of the smartest ways to boost your sales and stand out in a crowded marketplace. By 2025, Depop has made bundling even easier with new features like automated discounts and enhanced visibility tools. Let's dive right in. First, what exactly is bundling? It's grouping two or more items together and offering them at a discounted price. This not only encourages buyers to spend more but also helps you clear out inventory quickly while building a loyal customer base. Step 1. Start by selecting your items. Choose complementary pieces, like a trendy top paired with matching jeans, to make the bundle irresistible. Think about what your audience loves. Focus on popular trends for 2025, such as sustainable fashion. Step 2. Open the Depop app or website and head to your seller dashboard. Look for the Create Bundle option, which has been updated in 2025 for a smoother experience. You'll be prompted to add the items from your listings. Step 3. Upload high-quality photos that showcase the items together. Depop's new AI tools can even suggest the best layouts. Then, set a bundled price. Aim for at least 10 to 20% off the individual total to attract buyers. Step 4. Write a clear and engaging description. Highlight the savings, explain why the items pair well, and include any 2025 specific perks like eco-friendly materials. Don't forget to add relevant tags for better search visibility. Step 5. Promote your bundle. Share it on your Depop profile, social media, or use Depop's 2025 community features like targeted ads to reach more potential buyers. The benefits are huge. You'll increase your average order value, get faster sales, and build a reputation as a savvy seller. Plus, it's fun and creative. There you have it. Start bundling on Depop today and watch your profits grow in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your bundling success stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.